Welcome to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of Mido watches, a brand synonymous with Swiss precision, timeless design, and exceptional craftsmanship. Whether you're a watch enthusiast or simply appreciate fine horology, join us as we explore what makes Mido a standout in the world of luxury timepieces. Let's get started. Number 5. Mido Commander Big Date. The Mido Commander Big Date is a sophisticated timepiece that effortlessly blends classic design with modern functionality. Its standout feature is the prominent Big Date display at 12 o'clock, offering exceptional readability and a unique aesthetic appeal. The 42 stainless steel case is polished to perfection, exuding a refined elegance that suits both formal and casual occasion. The Sunray brushed dial, available in shades like blue, black, or silver, adds a touch of dynamism, catching the light with every movement. The sleek baton indexes and dolphin hands, treated with superluminova, enhance visibility in low light conditions, while the transparent case back offers a glimpse into the intricate mechanics of the movement. Number 4. Mido Ocean Star Decompression World Timer. The Mido Ocean Star Decompression World Timer is a masterpiece of functionality and design, tailored for globetrotters and diving enthusiasts. This innovative timepiece features a unique decompression timer scale on its inner bezel, a nod to its diving heritage, while the outer ring displays 24 world cities, making it a true world timer. The 44 stainless steel case is robust yet refined, with a unidirectional rotating bezel and a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal for durability. Powered by the Mido Caliber 80 automatic movement, the watch offers an impressive 80-hour power reserve and reliable precision. Water-resistant up to 200 meters, it's a true tool watch for underwater adventures. Paired with a comfortable stainless steel bracelet or rubber strap, the Ocean Star Decompression World Timer combines practicality with style. Whether you're exploring new time zones or diving into the deep, this watch is a perfect companion for those who demand both performance and elegance. Number 3. Mido Ocean Star Automatic Diving Watch. The Mido Ocean Star Automatic Diving Watch is a perfect blend of rugged functionality and timeless design, crafted for diving enthusiasts and watch aficionados alike. Its 42.5 stainless steel case is both robust and refined, featuring a unidirectional rotating bezel and a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal for durability. The Sunray brushed dial, available in shades like blue, black, or grey, offers exceptional legibility with luminescent hands and markers, ensuring clarity even in low-light conditions. Water-resistant up to 200 meters, it's built to withstand the demands of underwater exploration while maintaining its elegant appeal. The Ocean Star Automatic comes with a stainless steel bracelet or a rubber strap, both designed for comfort and durability. Whether you're diving into the ocean or making a statement on land, this watch combines practicality with sophistication. A true testament to Mido's commitment to quality and innovation, the Ocean Star Automatic is a standout choice for any watch collection. Number 2. Mido Multifort Power Reserve. The Mido Multifort Power Reserve watch is a harmonious blend of vintage inspiration and modern horological innovation. Its design pays homage to the iconic Multifort models of the 1930s, featuring a distinctive Geneva stripe pattern on the dial that exudes timeless elegance. The 44 stainless steel case is polished to perfection, offering a bold yet refined presence on the wrist. The dial, available in black or silver, includes a power reserve indicator at 12 o'clock, adding both functionality and visual appeal. Number 1. Mido Commander Big Date. The Mido Commander Big Date is a striking timepiece that masterfully combines classic elegance with modern functionality. Its standout feature is the prominent Big Date display at 12 o'clock, offering exceptional readability and a unique design element. The 42 stainless steel case is polished to a high shine, exuding sophistication and versatility for both formal and casual occasion. The Sunray brushed dial, available in shades like blue, black, or silver, adds a dynamic touch, reflecting light beautifully with every movement. Powered by the Mido Caliber 80 automatic movement, this watch delivers an impressive 80 hour power reserve, ensuring reliable performance over extended periods. Available with a stainless steel bracelet or leather strap, the Commander Big Date combines comfort and durability. With water resistance up to 50 meters, it's as practical as it is stylish.